Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best Margaritaville Bali frozen concoction maker. The ultimate frozen drink machine for anyone who wants to bring the beach party vibes home. If you're a fan of expertly blended margaritas, daiquiris, smoothies, or piña coladas, this is the machine that will elevate your drink game to the next level. Let's start with the overall design. The Margaritaville Bali has a premium brushed metallic finish with polished stainless steel accents that give it a high-end, professional look. It's not just built to impress, it's built to last, using quality materials like stainless steel and durable silicone. The unit is surprisingly compact considering its capabilities, measuring just under 23 inches tall and weighing about 22 pounds. It's solid but still portable enough to move around the kitchen or bring out for a backyard bash. The centerpiece of the machine is the extra-large 60-ounce blending jar. That's enough for an entire party round. You won't be stuck making drink after drink. You can serve an entire batch with just one run, making entertaining quick and easy. One of the standout features is its self-dispensing lever. This means you can pour drinks straight from the machine with a simple push, just like a soda fountain. No mess, no lifting the pitcher, and no need for a separate ladle or scoop. It's fun, interactive, and adds to the bar-like experience right at home. Now let's talk performance. The Margaritaville Bali uses a 600-watt motor to power through ice effortlessly. And here's the real game changer. The machine shaves the ice before blending. That's a big deal because most blenders just crush the ice, leaving you with gritty textures. The Bali delivers restaurant-quality smoothness every time. Whether it's a silky daiquiri or a thick smoothie, you get perfect consistency thanks to the preset drink modes and manual controls. You get automatic settings for margaritas, daiquiris, coladas, and smoothies, all with just the touch of a button. Want something more customized? Use the manual shave and blend options to fine-tune the texture exactly how you want it. There's also a mix mode that allows you to choose a half-chamber or full-chamber mix. Whether you're making a solo drink or prepping for a crowd, you're totally in control. One thing to note is that the machine runs on 110 volts, so if you're planning to use it outside the US, you'll likely need a voltage converter. Also, while the parts aren't dishwasher safe, they're easy enough to clean with a quick rinse. In terms of safety, the design ensures the cord doesn't hang over the edge of the counter, helping to prevent accidents during those lively cocktail parties. It's clear that attention to detail went into not just the looks and functionality, but also the user experience and safety. To sum it up, the Margaritaville Bali frozen concoction maker is more than just a blender. It's a party machine with intelligent features, top-quality construction, and effortless usability. From its self-dispensing lever to its shave and blend technology, everything is made to help you craft perfect frozen drinks every single time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on products that bring quality and joy to your everyday life. Cheers!